Almost 2 billion people use Facebook every day. Most of them watch videos. When they hit upon something cool, they usually wish to download it. If you are one of them, this video is for you. Thanks for tuning in, folks. In today's Witty, let's see how to download Facebook videos on Android and iOS. So let's get started. Open Facebook and switch to Videos tab. Find an interesting video to download. Tap on the video to open it. Now click on the three dots at the top. Choose Copy Link. You can also copy the link by clicking on Share and Copy Link. Now that you have copied the link of this video, open your favorite browser. I prefer Chrome on Android. Now search for Download Facebook Videos. As you can see, multiple results appear. Either one will work, but for the purpose of this video, I choose fbdown.net. Now, paste the link you've copied from Facebook here and click on Download. Scroll down to choose from various download options. I prefer HD, so I click on Force Download HD and my download has begun. And that is it, folks. You have successfully downloaded your Facebook video. You can also find the video in Gallery under Downloads. Okay, now let's check out how to download Facebook videos on iOS. Open Facebook and switch to Videos tab. Find an interesting video you would like to download. Click on Share and choose Copy Link. Now for this next step, I see only Firefox work on iOS. So open Firefox and navigate to getfwit.com. Paste the link you have copied from Facebook here and hit download. The download links are generated. I like to download my videos in HD, so I click on Download in HD quality. As you can see, the video opens in a new tab. All you have to do now is click on the three dots at the top and press Share. You see a new pop-up open at the bottom. Scroll down and choose Save Video. And that is it, folks. You have successfully downloaded a Facebook video on iOS. Navigate to Photos and enjoy the video. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.